Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel over here at XM Global. My name is Stav. I'll be your host for this live. You guys, we are here to have a little bit of a look as to our trading conditions just under our XM Global brand. If you're keen on finding out more, do feel free to stay here and com 5 days a week, 9 hours a day, just within live education. In that case, you guys, in the XM live room, the first and introduction room, you will get a little bit of it all. Navigation sessions such as this one, as well as a wonderful opportunity to also nicely check out lots of theory sessions. Sessions are hosted not only by instructors such as TradePedia instructor Reno Deadlifts, but also a wonderful opportunity to check out the breakfast show with Peter Maguire, market strategist, giving you the market prices. That's 3 times a week, and also nicely able to catch our market analysts 5 times a week, or I should say 4 times a week. So you get this and lots more in the XM live room. A wonderful way to wrap your head around a little bit of it all. A nice opportunity to, in that case, build a foundation prior to tuning into the expert sessions in the beginner and the advanced room, where they'll be teaching you how to trade. Keep in mind, in the beginner room, the experts will start off with the theory when it comes to their preferred style or strategy, the one in which they use to trade, and also later show you how to apply this quite practically on to the charts. Now, advanced room, more so live trading action, a very cool opportunity to tune into varying trading experts a lot of the time too in a particular hour, in that case, a particular session, and see how they go head to head, kind of reach common ground, place trades together, irrespective of their perhaps differing trading styles or strategies. We've got plenty of panel discussions outlining trading. Trending market topics, as well as fundamental economic events, anything from the ECB or the FOMC, the Bank of Japan interest rate decisions are covered, as well as the Bank of England monetary policy report. And you're nicely also able to catch the NFFP, where our trader goes against or versus our analysts. And in that case, you guys, first Friday of the month, you can always expect that very special analyst versus trader session where they do tackle that particular NFP. Now, you guys, lots to catch across the board. As I said, 5 days a week and 9 hours a day in the live education, just within the website. I'll show you really quickly, you guys. If you go ahead and have a look as to this Discover tab, if you go down to Education, Live Education, you'll nicely be able to check out the XM Live Room. And by logging in to your XM profile, just by clicking the button here, you'll nicely be able to go ahead and ultimately check out the entire scope. So XM Live, beginner and advanced room, nicely able to access the chat, communicate and engage with our experts and instructors. Feel free to check us out on Facebook and on Instagram, as well as TikTok and over here on YouTube. You guys, we've got several other playlists which will allow for you to check out trading tips or trader talks. We've got lots of exciting different playlists here brought to you by Live Education too. That's at XM Global across the different social media platforms. You'll see my cursor now as well over on TikTok, showing additional educational content and material. You guys, let's go ahead and check out our trading conditions. I'm going to start off by means of this company tab up top here in the menu, Help Center. A nice way to kind of wrap our head around all the different aspects in which we might have questions with regards. So anything from account creation and management is nicely outlined, deposits and withdrawals, market intelligence and education, trading accounts, trading platforms, conditions, walkthroughs, glossary. I love this area just here, you guys. Those of you who are new to trading, not too familiar with the language thrown around and used around, you can always go ahead and access this dictionary, as I like to call it, with terms and terminology used and spoken about just by our experts as well. Technical issues and errors, promotions, partners, accounts managements, and payments. So you can nicely tackle all of the different questions in which you might have just on your own via the Help Center. Otherwise, you'll see the blue icon just down below, which is ultimately the support icon. So if you've got questions with regards to registration, your account, perhaps claiming a bonus, deposits, withdrawals, specific questions with regards to your account, you guys are nicely able to contact our support team, the team in which will guide you through any such questions. Now, trading conditions, that's what we're going to have a look at for the moment. And in that case, you guys, these are questions in which you might have just when you're starting off with us. It's nice to go ahead here and kind of get a nice ground as to the offering. So, what leverage do we offer? You guys, we offer under this particular brand because remember, we're multi regulated and obviously per your region, corresponding to legislation. You will fall under a particular brand. So, under this particular brand, we offer leverage up to 1,000 to 1, depending on your account's total equity. The available leverage options are between 5 and 40,000, in that case 1 to 1,000, between 40,000 to 80,000, that's 1 to 5,000, between 80,000 to 200,000, that's 1 to 200, and equity over 2. Nope. No overnight charges when trading futures. Let's see what else could be quite interesting. Scalping, absolutely, you guys. And you're also nicely able to check out several different scalping trading experts just within live education. Check out their scalping specific sessions. If you check out our live education schedule, nicely access within your XM profile, you'll be able to actually plan your week ahead with your favorite expert per the session in which you might be interested in. Let's see. Can I partially close and open positions? Yes, you can partially close and open positions across any of our account types. However, any position size below the minimum volume can't be partially closed and must be closed in the end entirely. Will I experience slippage when trading with you? A very good question as well. Important economic news events or releases can at times cause increased market volatility, leading to orders being filled at different prices than requested. Rest assured, though, we will always fill your orders at the best available price. You guys can check out the execution policy just by clicking the particular link. Calculation of swaps as well, nicely outlined over here. You can even check out our forex calculators, which do this for you. So this is a very exciting and useful tool in which you should be familiar with. The rollover policy. So we don't automatically roll over positions to the next contract. Your positions will be closed on the expiration date of the future contract. So if you want to maintain an open position on your underlying instrument, you'll need to open a new position in the next contract once it goes live. Keep that in mind. In that case, you guys, I'm going to slowly wrap up the session. I do want to remind you to check us out on Facebook and on Instagram, again at XM Global. In that case, you'll stay on top of our month to month. We frequently change, update our schedules, particularly per quarter, but also based on fundamental economic events or trending market topics, you guys. We introduce you guys with panel discussions that outline these, where our experts discuss in detail their views, their opinions, and you can also nicely engage and chat with them just within the chats. So do make sure to, after I'm live here, go ahead and check us out just under live education within your XM profile within our website at xm.com. You guys, we're waiting for you 5 days a week, 9 hours a day, with over 13 experts and instructors to teach you how to trade, in that case, within the beginner and the advanced room. I do want to say hello to our viewers in the chat. You guys, thanks so much for tuning in. It's lovely to have you here. And in that case, if you do want to follow along the rest of live education today, I encourage you to check out our website. As you can see, I've opened it up just within the share screen. That's at xm.com, or if you fall under the XM Global brand, you guys, that's at xmglobal.com. You'll nicely be able to follow along the rest of our day within live education. Thanks so much. Hopefully you found this helpful. I'll be seeing you later. Bye.